I hope you like it. Strong or weak? There was a proud big tree in the forest. He was tall and strong. There was a small herb next to the tree. The big tree said, I am very handsome and strong. No one can defeat me. Hearing this, the herb replied, Dear friend, too much pride is harmful, even a strong for one day. The thief ignored the herb's words. He continued to praise himself. A strong wind blew. The thief stood firmly. Even when it rained, the thief stood strong by spreading its leaves. At the same time, the herb bowed low. The thief made fun of the herb. One day, there was a storm in the forest. The herb bowed low. As usual, the thief did not want to bow. The storm kept growing stronger. The thief could no longer bear it. He felt his strength giving away. He fell down. This was the end of the proud tree. When everything was calm, the earth stood straight. He looked around and he saw the proud big tree had fallen. The moral of the story is, do not be arrogant and be humble always.